Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben, and I'm back in the building. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I am a professional day trader, professional swing trader. Okay, and what I do on my show is just basically look at the charts and tell you guys what I feel is going to happen. This is what I do full time. I just only look at the charts, look at certain patterns on the charts, and that's how I make my money. If that's something that you want to learn more about, definitely hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of losing, overall losing, I'm quite sure that if you're watching this video right now and you don't really know anything about the market, you probably had you probably been having a rough time this whole year. So if you are that guy or that that girl, so you can definitely hit that subscribe button, because over here I don't talk all that nonsense. I keep it real, and I give you guys realistic views. Okay, so definitely hit that subscribe button. If you are watching that replay, you can actually hit setting speed 1.5 or 2. You can actually speed up the video. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay, if you're not making money in this current market, you're missing out, missing a lot of money. I mean, literally, you're actually leaving a lot of money on the table. So let me give you guys a round of applause. I don't know how many people's in the building so far. I didn't check. This is actually the ka-ching button. So let me see if I can get that right button and give you guys a round of applause. So shout out to you guys. All right, so let's see who's in the building here. What's going on, Alex? What's going on, Keith, Rufus, Glenn, Stress Free? All right, that's what's up, man. Thanks for you guys for coming through. This is the weekday, so I don't know how many people are working. I usually do it during the day because some people have different time zone and they can't catch me when I'm live, when I go live at night. But it is what it is. Let's get to this market right here. Shout out to everybody that's just looking at this market and making money. Okay, let's go to the coin market cap. Let's see what's going on here, guys. All right, so Bitcoin dominance once again, going right back up. Market cap is going lower. The volume still is low. Nothing is new. We have a lot of double digits. A lot of coins are in the double digits today, especially XRP, EOS. So you just had to expect things like this, because we are in a bear market. You can't just expect things to continue to go back up just like that. It takes time. Okay, it takes time to heal. The cryptocurrency market right now is healing, and it takes time. It's just not like a thing where you just the market just go down for 6 months and next thing you know, boom, bull market again. So guys, if you have any questions, let me know. If you're tired of losing, and if you're new to the channel and you're tired of losing, definitely hit that subscribe button, because over here, I tell people, hey man, you don't need a bull market to make money. You don't need a bull market to make money. So let's see if I see any questions here. Let's see what's going on here. All right, Umesh, what's going on? Alex, shout out to Alex. All red, yeah, no. What's going on, Keith? Keith, you took any trades lately? All right, so remember I showed you this, guys. Literally, I told you guys, CNBC is the new RSI. CNBC is a new MACD, guys. Literally, like, it's the best indicator you can have in your toolbox right now. CNBC is the best indicator you can have in your toolbox. Every time they say the market is going up, it goes down. Okay, this actually was, I think, around what, Sunday, I think. Came out on Sunday. CNB Alice, and you know what I'm talking about. I can't even pronounce this thing right now. Analyst predicts Bitcoin bounce. Okay, this was actually on Sunday, and then next thing you know, Monday, boom. So CNBC is actually the best indicator on the market, hands down. Oh man, these guys is always saying, you know, we about to bounce and go up, and it does the opposite. So like I said before, guys, you can't rely on the news. The news is just full of it. It's just what it is, how things work. So guys, can you hear me good? Cause I asked Keith a question. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Can you guys hear me? Let me know if my audio is good or what. Cause I don't know if, cause I'm looking at my my chat and I don't see nothing moving here. Okay, I don't know what's going on here. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, I don't see anything moving, guys. So let me know. I don't see my chat thing moving. Let me see if I type in something. So guys, can you hear me? I don't know what's going on. Before I even continue to do this stream, I want to know if you guys can hear me. I don't see no typing, no nothing. Let me close this. See, it's an error. I'm finally getting something here. Okay, I'm finally getting something. All right, so now I'm getting something. I don't know what happened to my I don't know what happened to my thing, but it froze for a second. I'm gonna type something again. Let me type something again. All right, yeah, it froze for a second. I don't know what's going on. So let's see who's in the building here. All right, Keith said thanks for the stream, no doubt. G Baker, what's going on? FX Dub, what's going on? All right. You said you're on BTC right now. Prices going more my way now. Shout out to you. Let me know when you took the trade, because honestly, Keith, you should have been in the profit. Let me know when you took that trade, because you should have been in the profit. Andrew said, ha ha ha, the worst indicator. I know, right? Loud and clear, super clear. What's going on, Adrian? Fidel, what's going on? All right, so guys, like I said before, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you don't know what's going on, or if you're just tired of losing money, and if you have any questions, let me know. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know, because for the most part, a lot of people last week was just out of control, guys. A lot of people last week was out of control. I mean, they couldn't control themselves, guys. I mean, they came on the internet and they was wilding out. Okay, a lot of them came on this live stream last week. A lot of these guys came on this live stream. It was talking mad trash. Okay, and I was trying to tell you guys, hey man, I understand XRP is going up. I understand the market is going up, but you know, don't get too excited. Okay, let's be professionals over here and let the whole crypto market guys be unprofessional, because most of those guys are clueless anyway. Okay, Most people in the crypto world is clueless anyway, so let those guys continue to be clueless. Okay, over here, let's talk about reality, because most of these guys that get too excited are the guys that been losing the whole year. Okay, you've been losing the whole year, and then when you see 2 green bars or 3 green bars, you get excited. And I can automatically I can tell that those are the guys that have been losing the whole year. And not only that, they don't know what they're doing, because they wouldn't get excited or for 2 green bars, because this whole year we've been doing the same thing over and over and over, guys. This is why I said, guys, over here, okay, if you want to, chill over here, let's become professionals. Let's not get excited and say Bitcoin is going to 50K by the end of this year, or XRP is going to $10 by the end of this year, just because we saw 2 green bars. Let's not be FOMO Billy, guys, or XRP Bob, or Ripple Joe. Let's be professionals over here, and let's analyze the data, analyze the facts, okay? Because most of these people in the crypto world, they are clueless. Okay, they don't give you facts, guys. All right, they don't give you facts. They just basically go to the news, right? They go on one of these news sites, they look at the article, and they read. Guys, this is what they do. They read to you word by word whatever the news give them. So, guys, don't you understand? That's a problem. Okay? That's a problem. Okay, when you go to the doctor, or you go to a lawyer, okay, do you think they say, okay, let me go to a website and look up, what other people are saying about your injury? Do you think they do that? Okay, or do you think a high-paid lawyer is going to go on the internet and say, hey, let me look up your case and let me see what other people is talking about, whatever? Do you think they do that? No. They don't care about all that stuff, because they have systems in place, strategies in place that been proven for years, that's been working for years. So they don't care about news articles that they are reading. They don't care about new articles that come out every single day. Okay, these guys that you see on YouTube are clueless. They're not giving you facts. They're reading you articles. Okay, articles that's just basically have a big agenda behind everything. Okay, these articles are controlled by the rich, and they don't care about you. So that's why when someone comes to me and say, hey man, this and that, okay, where do you get the information from? Okay, oh, you got it from a website? Oh, forget it then. Forget it, And I'm not saying that every single thing on a website is false, but what I'm saying is, once you rely on that, it's a wrap. Done deal. Okay? You have to understand, whenever news stories comes out, the rich already know. Okay? You're late to the party. And not only that, you can't believe everything you read. This is why I don't really care too much about news. I don't care about the white paper. I don't care about nothing. Show me action. I'm an action guy. Show me action. And also, I'm a facts guy. That's why I love the charts. The charts will show you the numbers. Okay? Last week, we had a pump. XRP pump. Bitcoin pump. Let's look at XRP real quick. Okay? We had an XRP pump. We had every pump, right? People came on here telling me, man, I told you this is the bottom. I told you. And guys, you have to understand, I wish this was the bottom. I wish this was the bottom, okay? But just because I wish this was the bottom doesn't mean anything, okay? It's just a wish. It's just something that I wish, a hope, okay? Doesn't mean anything at all. So, the facts are in the charts, guys. Okay, the facts are in the charts, and the facts is basically telling me that we've been going down the whole year, and not only been going down the whole year, we've been basically pumping up, right? We've been going up, act like we try to go back up to the highs, and then we slam right back down. Okay, this is a pattern that been basically repeating itself the whole year. So why a person like me that basically been doing this for 11 years, why would I get excited just because we had a couple of green bars? I'm not going to do that. That's why I tell you guys all the time, most people can't do this full time. Most people can't do this. Most people can't be professionals because they don't have strategies. They are clueless. They get the information from the news sites or YouTubers, and they are way behind. Okay, so let me say that again. Okay, most people are behind. Okay, if you get your information from the news or your favorite YouTuber that's basically repeating the news, whatever the news said, okay, because I can guarantee you 96.8% of these YouTubers, the information that they getting is from the news. So that being said, okay, once they give you that information, okay, you're late. It's a wrap. So when you come here and say, hey man, this and that, where's the facts? Back it up. My facts is always on the charts. We've been going down every time we go up, we've been going back right back down. This is the facts. I'm not making this stuff up. You could go on the chart and look at it. This is why I love the charts. You know, don't tell me what your favorite coin is doing. Don't tell me, say, man, well, my favorite coin is about to launch, or my favorite coin is partnering up with this company. I don't care about that. Okay? Because it doesn't matter right now at the moment. So shout out to you guys out here. This market is brutal, guys. It's a bear market. It's brutal. It's looking to take your money. You can't beat the whales, so you might as well just join the whales. Okay. I learned that lesson a long time ago. I'm trying to help you guys to get to that level where you just don't get too emotional no more. Okay. But most people is not gonna. They're not going to get to that level. They're just going to continue to hope. All right, so let's see if I see any questions here. Shout out to everybody in the building. And guys, like I said before, if you have any questions, let me know. If you're tired of losing money and you don't know what to do, have any questions, let me know. Fidel said, Ben, I'm looking to get your course. Can I have the discount link, please? Fidel, did I give you that discount link the other day? I told you I'll give you the discount link the other day, but shout out to you. Let me know if let me know if you have problems, because I swore I gave you that discount link the other day. But shout out to everybody that's live. If you are on this stream right now that you don't have this course, okay, you're losing money and you don't understand what's going on, this course is the course that will help you out. This is the course that Fidel is asking me about. During the live stream, I give you guys that discount. The regular price is $210. During the live stream is $110. So let me give you that link to Fidel. Shout out to you. And let me know when you get the course, okay? Let me know when you get the course, because this course actually comes with the Discord room, okay? So you can chat with me and my traders, my students, and you know, this course will basically show you how to become a professional through the bear market. In the bull market, it will show you how to make money right now. Okay, it's just what it is. And this is only, the price is only for good for live. You can read my testimonials, people that's actually making money. I have over a dozen or more, actually more than a dozen of people actually making money. So if you want to learn more about that, I just copy and paste that link to the chat room. So guys, if you have any questions, continue to ask your questions. Let's see if I see any questions now. Trev said, I made $600 so far this week. Woo! That's what I'm talking about, guys. Okay, if you're new to my channel and you don't understand how Trev is making money, hit that subscribe button right now. Okay, if you're tired of losing money and you don't know to understand how Trev just made $600 this week, hit that subscribe button, period. Because most of your favorite YouTubers that you watch every single day, they've been telling you to buy the dips, and you've been losing the whole year, guys. The whole year you've been losing. So if you want to learn how Trev made that money, hit that subscribe button. Because over here, I'm not going to sugarcoat anything, okay? If I was, I should have, you know, I could have sugarcoat a long time ago. But shout out to Trev making his money. Let me see here. What's going on, Expose? What's going on, AZ? All right. Scott is driving. Let me see if I see any questions here. What's going on, Scott Kern? Keith said, Fidel, the courses are still, get it now if you can. Thanks a lot, Keith. What's going on, Jacob? Jacob said, drop below 42. Jacob, let me ask you a question. Did you buy XRP? Did you hop in XRP? Because a lot of people have been asking me, hey, last week, should I buy XRP? I told them, number one, I can't give you no financial advice. Okay, and then I told them, number two, I'm not buying anything because we are in a bear market, and I understand how bear markets work. I'm not buying anything. Now, you said, can XRP go to 42 cents? You know, if Bitcoin is going to continue to go down, then yes, XRP is not only going to 42 cents, it's going right back to the lows, okay, if Bitcoin continues to go down. So right now, Bitcoin looks heavy. And we just have to see. We have to see how this week plays out. But so far, the sellers are in. And, you know, I don't know. You know, we broke this channel right here. And, you know, for the people that don't believe in technical analysis, I feel sorry for you guys that don't believe in technical analysis. Because, you know, I mean, literally, we talk about this. Every time I go live, I talk about levels on the chart. Okay? And we talked about the 68 level right here being resistance. If you was aggressive trader and if you got my course, you know about, you know, certain levels, and I talk about being aggressive, you could have actually made money off this level right here. Okay, nice little setup right here, guys. You see it? Nice little setup right here. So you could have made your money already. Now, you see XRP, I mean, I'm sorry, Bitcoin is basically repeating itself, okay? We dropped down, remember this big drop channel? Now we have a smaller version of this, okay? A drop channel and boom, okay? So for you guys that don't believe in technical analysis, I feel sorry for you guys. But you know, over here, you know, we're looking to make money every single month. So let me see here. You said you sold half of your Ripple stack and set buy orders at 33. I think it will go back before large volume. Ben, this Peter, what's going on, Peter White? Peter White said, Ben, this market seems so manipulated that I'm concerned that the big dogs are trying to shake people out. The violent upswings and eventually, you said eventually that a violent upswing. So that a violent upswing will eventually happen, as where it could be missed. So Peter White, do you have my course, Peter White? So I'm guessing Peter White is trying to say that he's so concerned, he feels that the big dogs are trying to shake people out, and eventually, I guess, go up. I'm guessing that's what you're trying to say. And honestly, I don't think that's the case. Because if you understand the whole market itself is more bulls than bears right now. Okay, so I don't really think that's the case at all, because it's more bulls than bears. Okay. You see it. You see it every single time the market just go up for 2 days straight. You see a lot of people saying, "Hey guys, here's the bottom. Here's the bottom." Okay, so no, I don't think they're trying to shake nobody out to go up, because I think a lot of people are still in. Okay, I think a lot of people are still in. I don't think a lot of people sold yet. I think the confidence is still high right now, and you know, I think they want to continue to do what they're doing and go down. All right. So let's see if I see any more questions here. What's going on? Wazim, what's going on? You say you made 900 on that, and 900 on that Ripple surge. That's what's up. Bo said I bought Ripple at the wrong time during the pump, 70 cents. So let me ask you something, Bo. Do you have my course? Do you have my course? Okay. Because a lot of people asked me last week, "Hey man, do you think XRP is a buy?" I said, guys, I mean, let's be honest, guys. This thing is not, when it's going up like this. This is not a healthy move. Okay, this is not organic. It's not really real buyers. And not only that, I mean, this bar itself went up so high, and then look how it closed. Okay, so this bar itself, let me zoom in. This bar itself was green all the way up to the top, and then it closed all the way back down here. So that tells you right there that's a weak sign, because if it was truly bullish, it should have just held most of the green. Okay, but it didn't. It went all the way right back down. So this is why you guys, you have to learn. Just learn. I mean, what's so hard? I don't get it. You know, stop trying to FOMO in and trying to think you know it all. Just learn the market. Okay. We are in a bear market. I'm not buying anything, because I believe we are still in the first stage of the bear market. Let me see here. So Bo said no, not yet. So yeah, I mean, Bo, let's you know, I'm not saying this just because this is my product. Honestly, Bo, I don't care if you get this product or any other product. Like I said, you know, you don't even have to get my product, but at least do yourself a favor and understand how the market works. I don't care what product you buy or how you learn. Just learn the market, okay? Because if you don't, it's going to cost you more money, okay? It's going to cost you more money. All right, so let me see here. All righty here. Guys, let me see if I see any questions. You said you made a little bit last night on BTC, my first trade in the week. Shout out to Glenn. FX said make that hit that like button there, definitely. Yeah, Fidel, you know, you said that you wanted to get the course and then, you know, you disappear. So, you know, I don't know if you want to get the course or not. But let me see here. Carl said, hi, mate. Like your show, man. Shout out to Carl. Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate it. I try to keep it real as possible. It doesn't make no sense to be fake and so you guys can lose money. It doesn't make no sense. So at the end of the day, you have to pick or choose, right? You got to say, okay, fine. Do I want to deal with a person that's helping me not to lose money, or should I deal with a person that's hyping things up, but at the same time they basically saying things I want to hear, right? They're saying things I want to hear, but at the same time, when I take their advice, I'm losing money, okay? Because most of these YouTubers been hyping things up since day one, right? Since January, and you've been losing money if you've been listening to those guys, because they've been telling you buy the dips. XRP is going to $50 by the end of this year. Bitcoin is going to $1 million. Tron TRX is going to $20. I mean, it's ridiculous, unrealistic numbers, and I'm trying to bring all that stuff and give you guys realistic views and say, hey, man, this is not a video game. This is a business. You have to treat it like a business, okay? Let me see if I see any questions here. Dev said, I'm terrible when it comes to the market. I don't even know the terminology, blah, blah, blah. So, Dev, did you get my course yet? Dev says, since I'm not a trader, I like to learn. I have to hold on to what I've owned. Yeah, shout out to Dev. The best thing to do is get the course. Did you get the course yet? Scott Kern said, I need to learn technical analysis. Please send that link to the discount course I will buy right now. So shout out to Scott Kern. All right, here's the discount link, guys. This is the course that Scott Kern is talking about. So basically, this course will show you how to make money in this current market. Most people don't know how to do that. Most people don't know how to read the market, period. Okay, so most people don't even understand. We've been, you know, in a bear market. Okay, when I saw this, when I saw a rejection right here, I said, guys, most likely we're going to be in a bear market and we're going to test these lows. Okay, I've been saying that for the longest. People are now just catching up, and that's what you get when you learn how to read technical analysis. Okay, technical analysis is going to give you the facts. It's not going to lie to you. Okay, so let's say, for example, okay, you have someone comes out and create an article telling you Bitcoin is going to 50K by the end of this month, but meanwhile the chart is telling you something different. This is how it's going to help you, you know, stay grounded and not listen to these stupid people on the internet and the news. Okay, it's going to help you out. Trust me. Let me see here. What's going on, Shane? You said the media is what was what's shaking us out. The big dogs is playing them to do. Yeah, paying them. Yeah, exactly. So Scott Kern is right. The big dogs are paying the media. Okay, that's how it works, guys. If you don't know how it works, that's why I tell you guys, your favorite YouTuber is getting news from these articles, and a lot of these articles are just either made up or not 100% true. So that's why, you know, when somebody comes on here and tell me about you know, some news article, I'm like, okay, and look at Bitcoin, look at these other coins, what they doing? They're going down. So I don't care what your article said. Dev said, I'm at work, but I like to get the discount, bruh. Yeah. I just gave you, Dev, I just put the link in the chat box. So I don't know if you got it. I don't know if Scott Kern got the link. And guys, if you get the course, let me know, because I want to send you guys that Discord link. All right, the Discord by itself is worth the amount of money. Bruno, do you agree that that this could be 2014 repeat? Oh yeah, well I've basically been saying that, you know, from the jump. If you go back to 2014, okay, all right, just, you know, it's pretty much the same thing. The only difference is we've been going down. Let me show you. I'm trying to figure out which one is it. I think it's Big Stamp. All right, so let me see something. Let me show you guys here. All right, so the difference is, you know, last year when we had that triple bottom, okay, we actually went up a lot. We went up a lot, but pretty much it's the same thing. All right, and if you notice, guys, that's crazy. Shout out to who brought this up. Let me see who brought this up. Who brought this up? Bruno. Shout out to Bruno. And this is crazy, guys, because I'm just noticing this right now. As soon as Bruno brought this up, Bruno brought this up, I'm noticing how, you know, it's very similar to 2014. But anyway, we had that triple bottom nonsense last time. We had that thing, and then we had this head and shoulders, you know, very similar to this year. We had head and shoulders, and the market just shot up. Okay, so the difference between this is we didn't play around these levels too much. Okay, we had a triple bottom, head and shoulders, and then we just shot back up, and it created some double top right here, and then we went right back down. All right, now what I'm noticing is, if you look at this, all right, even though we broke this triangle right here, we actually formed a bigger triangle right here, right? That's number one. Okay, we formed another bigger triangle. Let's see if I can draw that out. When we I don't know why this thing ain't moving. Hold on for a second, guys. We formed a bigger triangle right here. All right, and then not only that, if you look at when the market really broke out, it's around the time that we are at right now, guys. This is around September 28, 26. So this is around the time we are at right now. If you notice that it broke out of this big triangle, okay, so October, September, and it pulled back to the breakout, which usually all breakouts do, depending on, not every single breakout, but a lot of breakouts do pull back as soon as it break out, and then it shakes people, it shake a lot of people out, right, and then continue to go right back down. So this is very interesting because it broke this big triangle around the time we are in right now. Okay, now I'm not going to say that, you know, just because it did it this last time, it's going to do it this time. I'm not saying that, but it's very interesting that I'm seeing that right now. But yes, I believe that you know, we will eventually break the lows of this big triangle, because we've been stuck at this level, right? Every time we hit this 6,000 level, it's been over pretty much a year, right? So there's a lot of pressure behind this. Okay, so I believe that they want to go underneath this big triangle to take out a lot of stop losses, because a lot of people put their stop because they think, you know, a lot of people believe that Bitcoin is going to 50K by the end of this year. So they put their stop loss at the 6,000 level, because they saw that, man, every time Bitcoin hit that 6,059 level, 5,900 level, it bounced back up. So they feel safe to put their stop loss there. So I believe the market will go back and hunt those stop loss, and we might see a big break. All right. And also, guys, if you didn't tune in yesterday to my live stream, I showed you guys this picture right here. All right, this is a ball. All right, if you bounce a ball, okay, every time the ball bounce, it loses steam. All right. Now, what did that, you know, remind you of? It looks like the Bitcoin, right? The chart, the Bitcoin chart right now is losing steam. Okay. It's like a ball dropping. Every time it bounces up, it's losing steam. It's get lower and lower and lower. So eventually, I believe this thing will break the lows, and just got to be prepared for that. Okay. I'm not saying that to be negative. I'm saying that because I've been through a bear market before. I'm trying to help you guys not to lose money. Okay, because you've been losing money for the whole year, and you've been listening to your favorite YouTubers. So I mean, I think, you know, in my opinion, you should at least listen to a guy that pretty much been making money this year, and having his subscribers make money or even save money. So, like I said, it's up to you at the end of the day. All right. But the bear market, guys, the bear market wants you to bleed. Okay. The bear market wants you to bleed. A lot of people right now are too confident. They too excited. They think they know it all. So I believe that we didn't get to that level yet where most people are so depressed that they don't even want to go to work. So depressed that they don't even want to go on the internet. We didn't get to that level yet. Okay. And that's what the bear market is designed to do. It's designed to make you so depressed that you either you're going to give up, or you just going to not even look at cryptocurrencies no more. We didn't get to that level yet, so you know, it is what it is. Let's see if I see any more questions here. And you know, overall, guys, I'm just trying to help you to you know, navigate through the bear market, because most people think this is all fun and games, but honestly, I don't see why you think this is fun and games. This is your hard-earned money. Okay. What's going, Nick? You said Nikki. You said, hey Ben, finally, can I ask a pro? Is there 1,000x possible return future of Tron TRX 2020? I'm holding since December 2017. So I'm just asking your opinion. What's going on, Nikki? Shout out to you. I don't know if you're new to the channel, but I'm quite sure you probably are. Shout out to you. Thanks a lot for coming through. You know, honestly, it's very hard to tell what Tron is going to do 2020. Okay, so you have to understand that a technical analysis guy, they don't know the future. Okay, I know on YouTube, people love to try to make predictions and say Bitcoin is going to be at 50K by the end of this year, or XRP is going to hit $5 by the end of this year. You know, but honestly, all that's baloney. Okay, technical analysis doesn't predict price, time, or anything like that. But what it does, it helps you make money by looking at patterns that repeat themselves over and over and over on a chart. Okay, so Tron TRX right now, I don't know what it's going to do in 2020. I don't know. It's very hard to tell you that. And if someone else tells you that, you know, if they tell you, yeah, Tron TRX is going to moon in 2020, I really believe, in my opinion, you should run from that person, because no one knows. No one knows the future. Okay. What we can do is just right now, I tell everybody, especially someone asks me about a specific coin, I say, hey man, listen, this is how I'm viewing the market. Okay. The way I'm viewing the market is, I want to see how these coins perform when the bear market is over. Or I guess I want to see how or where these coins are at. Okay, so let's say, for example, XRP. I want to see where XRP is going to be at when the bear market is over. Okay, and the reason why is because if XRP is at, you know, if the numbers are so low, or XRP is down so low to the point where I don't see any reason to buy it, I'm not gonna buy it. Okay, so I'm gonna make my decisions when the bear market is over, because I think a lot of these coins are going to get wiped out. That's just my opinion. We saw it in the last bear market, and I think we're going to see it this bear market too. I'm not saying Tron TRX is going to get wiped out, but also I have to be realistic and say, hey, I want to see where Tron TRX is going to be when the bear market is over. Okay. Let me see here. I can't really pronounce your name. Let me try. Davidas. My question would be, how much do you have to invest to trade? Is it more depending on how much you invest or knowledge is strong? Yeah, so basically, Davidas, you don't have to invest that much. Okay, this is why I love trading, guys. This is why I love the markets in general, because number one, let's say that you bought this product right here, right? And you see a setup, okay? You see a setup on Bitcoin chart. You don't even have to actually put real money into the market, okay? You can actually practice first just to build up your skills. And this is why I love the market, because the market will allow you to build up your skills, all right? Allow you to get better before you even risk money. This is why I shake my head when people automatically claim that trading and you know, short-term trading is risky. It's risky because you don't know what you're doing, okay? You have time to practice all you want. You don't even have to put real money in, okay? Now, you said how much you need. You don't need that much, okay? You can start with at least, what, $100 or you know, or less. And you can actually, if you use leverage, depending on how much you use, you can actually make a lot from that $100, okay? I have students that basically, you know, turn $100 into $700, or turn $100 into $800. Okay, so you don't need that much. But my thing, you know, I like to stress is, forget about the money right now. Okay, forget about the money. Master your skills, because the money, once you master your skills, the money's gonna come automatically. So let's go back to the questions here. Adrian said, I bought the course a few days ago. How do I get the Discord? Yeah, Adrian, so if you bought it a few days ago, email me, okay? Let me give you my email address. And I thought I copy and paste that link. I'm sorry for you guys that wanted to get the course. I swore, yeah, I did copy and paste that link. But anyway, here's my email address. All right, Adrian, email me, and email me with proof that you bought the course, and I will give you that Discord room right away. Here's my email address. All right, let me go through these questions real quick. I'm about to get off this About to get off this live stream. Dev says, should I buy the course on my computer or does it matter? It doesn't matter. Dev, you can buy it on your computer or your phone. A lot of people bought it on their phone. A lot of people bought it on their computer. Keith said, many people believe XRP is going to separate itself from Bitcoin and other altcoins coins and go to the moon regardless of what happened in the market. So basically, Keith, shout out to Keith. First of all, you know, the key word in your sentence, okay? The key word in your sentence is what? Believe, right? Believe. Many people believe, okay? And shout out to all my, you know, XRP people that own XRP. I understand that you want it to go to the moon. Trust me, I wanted to go to the moon too, okay? But I have to be realistic, and I have to say, you know, we have to stay in tune with reality, okay? Just because you believe something doesn't mean it's going to happen. So believe in XRP will separate from Bitcoin is just a belief. There's no facts backing it up, and that's it. It's just what it is. You said, and that Discord is on a website. Yeah, the Discord is on a website. A Discord is actually a site where you can go and chat, and post charts, chat with students, chat with me. All right, it comes with the course. All right, let me see. Dev said, first time buying someone course. Did you buy the course yet, Dev? Did you buy the course yet? And anybody bought the course today? If anybody bought the course today, let me know so I can give you that link to the Discord. Aces, I usually go the wicks too, Aces. I usually count the wicks too. Lay Low said XRP will never reach $1 again. It will just pump and dump. I'm reading these questions, guys, real quick because I'm about to get off here soon. Nikki said, thanks, Ben. I'm at the depression point you would mention earlier. I lost too much money this year with Tron TRX, but when I ride the market upwards, I follow your channel, try to day trade. Shout out to Nikki. And like I said before, if anybody got the course today, let me know, because I want to send you guys that Discord. You said you know a exchange that dropped some coins. What exchange dropped coins? What's going on, Leslie Savage? So Peter White said, I feel like there are a lot of people waiting on the sidelines to dump money into the next bull market. People are just waiting not to get screwed. Lots of nervous people. So Peter White, you have to understand that it's just a feeling that you have. Okay, this is what I try to tell people all the time, guys. All right, this is why I try to tell people all the time in my live stream. Okay, a lot of information that you get on this live stream, you're not gonna get it nowhere else, because these YouTubers are not full-time traders, and they will say anything to make you feel happy. Okay, I don't say anything to make you feel happy. That's why, you know, people, you know, some people would get mad when I tell them that, you know, I believe that we will continue to go back down. Okay, it's not like that. I want the market to go down. That's the whole point. Like most people, when I say I feel the market is going to continue to go down, most people feel that automatically I'm a bear. Like I'm not. Like most people just can't separate that. You know, like people are too emotional these days anyway. And I tell people all the time, I'm not a bear. Okay, it's just the market is bearish. All right. If it were up to me, I would reverse this market right now as we speak, and we go up back to 20K and go to 50K or whatever. All right. But it's not up to me. All right. The market been going down the whole year, and I have to go along with the market. I just can't sit here and lose money. But Peter White, like I said before, your statement is just a feeling that you have inside. You really have to, if you really want to become a professional at this, and I'm not trying to pick on you or pick on anybody in this on the live stream. Okay, I'm just trying to give you things that no one told me when I was first starting out. Okay, if you really want to become a professional when it comes to trading and investing and whatever, your feelings have to, you have to put your feelings on the side. Okay, honestly, your beliefs and your feelings shouldn't get in the way. I believe a lot of things a lot of time when I look at the market, but it's just a belief. So regardless of people waiting on the sidelines, the market is going down. That's what I see. I see market going down. Let's see what's going on here. Dev said, thanks, man. I like how you engage with us. Yes, man. That's what I try to do, because I noticed that most YouTubers, they just want to hear themselves talk. So I try to, you know, just go over the questions and try to help you guys understand how the market works. Okay, I know some people are just stuck. What's going on, Charlie? He said must be going to the moon. CNBC says, I know, right? You said you're about to buy right now, putting in the info. All right, so shout out to you. Let me know when you buy, Dev. All right, cool, Adrian. So when I get off this live stream, I will get to, I will email you right away. Scotty said it's FUD. What's FUD, Scotty? Peter White said, I guess my feelings come from Binance, a buy-in only option. I guess, I don't know. Also, it's gonna come with experience and knowledge. Peter White, I'm guessing. Do you even have my course yet? I'm guessing you don't even have the course. Because there's a lot of opportunities. Honestly, guys, if you have the course, if you had this course, you could have made money off this trade right here. Okay, I mean this resistance line right here. You could have made money off of this. Okay. So like I said before, man, it is what it is. I'm not really. Anyway, so shout out to Dev, guys. Dev said he just got the course. Let me give him a round of applause. Let me give him a round of applause. Give him that ka-ching button. Shout out to Dev, man. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel. And like I said, I tell everybody, man, once you get the course, your eyes is going to be open. You know, and basically you're going to see how much money you've been losing. You know, you've been basically losing out with. So shout out to Dev for getting the course. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. And Dev, I want you to email me right away. If you don't have my email address, let me give it to you. I know I put it up here somewhere. All right. I want you to email me, you know, show me that you bought the course so I can give you that Discord link. All right. Scotty Kern said, just bought the course under my first name, David Scott Kern. All right. So let me give him a round of applause. That's what's up. All right. Shout out for you guys. Shout out to all you guys that want to learn. That's I mean, literally, like, you know, I hate to say this, but $110 is really nothing. Honestly, I mean, we spend that pretty much every single week on fast food and all that stuff. So shout out to all you guys that's actually want to learn, and shout out to Scott for you know, getting that course. And Scott, I want you to email me too. I want you to email me right away at that Ben Will address at Yahoo. Okay. And you know, just send me proof that you bought the course, and I will give you that Discord link. All right. But yeah, thanks a lot, guys, for supporting the channel. Scotty said FUD is causing the market to be bearish. I'm sorry, guys. I just had to laugh at that. Oh, man, that's funny. I'm sorry, guys. I just had to laugh at that. I usually don't laugh at, you know, statements like that, but I just had to laugh at that. FUD is definitely not causing the market to be bearish at all. Thanks. Keith said, thanks, Ben. Have a good day. Lunch break is over. Have a good one, fellas. All right. So shout out to Keith out on his lunch break. Definitely talk to you later. I know you're going to be on that Discord. Should I email you from the Discord? Yeah. Email me to get the Discord. Yes. All right. Shout out to you, Dev. Scotty Kern, you said your connection is bad, so the stream connection is choppy. I hear you. But to email me, don't forget to email me though. Bema said FUD does not even phase you once you learn how to play the market. Let me give Beamer, guys. Let me give Beamer a round of applause, because Beamer is actually one of my students, and he actually right now is killing it. And he said FUD does not even phase you once you learn how to play the market. I wanna let me see if I get a bomb. I want a bomb drop, like. Let me see if I get a bomb or something. Man, I want a bomb drop. I don't know if I got it. Let me see. Shout out to them. Woo! That is so true. That is so true, because most people in this cryptocurrency world, like I said, guys, I told you, man, it's. When I come on here, guys, it's very hard for me to even come on live stream, because I'm dealing with people that swear up and down they know everything, right? They know it all. They know it all. And they are in la la land. They will give you all the reasons why this coin was going up or that coin is going up, but this whole year the market been going down. And you know why? Is because 98% of the crypto world is brainwashed, they're clueless, and they got lucky last year. That's why. Okay, guys? They got lucky. Most people thought they was a genius last year. Price was going up. People was doing price predictions all over the place. Oh, XRP going this. Oh, Tron is going here. Oh, Bitcoin is going here. Whatever the case is, right? Everything was going up. So everything they did, it worked out, okay? They thought they was a genius. So the same YouTubers that thought that they knew everything. This year, what's going on, guys? These guys are finding it a hard time to actually make money in this current market. It's sad. Meanwhile, a guy like me I have a small channel, and people are trying to come on the channel and act like they know more than me. And I'm not talking about you. Who was that? With the FUD? I forgot who said the FUD. I'm not talking about you. Who said that? The FUD? Scotty. I'm not talking about you. I'm just talking about in general. People come on here, swear they know everything, right? It's because last year they got lucky, okay? But this year, the strategy that you used last year is not working out, all right? The buy the dip strategy is not working out because that strategy doesn't work every year, all right? That's why you really have to understand how the market works, just like Be My Bro said, okay? FUD does not even phase you once you understand how the market works. The news doesn't phase you, all right? YouTubers or anybody else, CNBC, none of these guys phase you will phase you. The ETF getting approved, all that stuff, it's just nonsense. Because I can still make money whether the ETF get approved, whether Bitcoin goes to 2,000 or 50K. I can make money regardless. It doesn't matter to me. Once you get to that level, you're gonna realize you've been missing out. So shout out to Bima Bros. He's actually one of my students. He had a hell of a run last week. He made, I think, 31,000 in a day. So shout out to him, man, making his bread over here. I gave him that bomb. All right. Let me see here. Alex said, gotta go, Ben. Maybe connect tonight. If not, happy trading. Yeah, shout out to you, Alex. Ben, I will talk to you later. You gotta go back to work. So all my East Coast guys are, I guess all your East Coast guys was actually on your lunch break. So shout out to all you guys for coming in. Thanks a lot. Golden Arm said best course ever. Thanks a lot, Golden Arm. I appreciate it, man. Definitely. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. Let's see who else here. I'm about to get off this thing, but let's see. Bo said battle to catch your live stream. You said you're from South Africa. All right, so shout out to you, man. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Yeah, it's okay. I don't care about the caps. It's okay. Davida said, thanks, Ben, for motivation to trade that you told me, and you don't need a lot of money for that. Yeah, no problem, man. I appreciate it. Let me see here. Golden said these patterns are real. Yes. And that's why I shake my head when people said technical analysis doesn't work in the crypto market. Like I said before, if you are, if you don't believe in technical analysis, you just, shame on you. And, you just have to have an open mind. Okay, you're missing out. Like I said before, this 68 level in the past was true resistance. Okay, this was a nice aggressive short right here. We had pretty much, this was a nice setup. I'm gonna tell you why. Because we had that 68 level resistance, and we had this resistance right here from this channel right here. Okay, so we had two resistance right here, guys. I mean, that's literally a strong level. Okay, now I mean, honestly, you can I mean, if you real aggressive, you can go short right away, which I definitely don't recommend. But you could have just wait for more confirmation, and you got it right here. Okay, Okay, nice little setup right here, and boom, you could have made your money. So this stuff is real. It happens every, the patterns repeat themselves all the time. Golden Arm said, I have learned so much from thanks, Ben. Yeah, shout out to you, Golden Arm. Scott said, yeah, I know. Randy said, Ben, listening at work. So shout out to all my East Coast guys listening at work right now. I will send you the email as soon as I get a better signal. All right, no problem, Scotty. No problem, Scott Kern. Muhammad said, what's the resistance level on XRP? You mean resistance or support? Shout out to Golden Arm. Give me that $5 super chat. I definitely appreciate that. Let me give you that that round of applause. Thanks a lot for that $5 super chat. All right. You said super chat is not available in your region. Nah, it's okay. Don't worry about it. Support? I don't know. I don't know the next support. Let me see. XRP. Let me see. Well, I told you guys yesterday, all right? I told you guys yesterday that since this thing is going right back to this breakout, okay, because like I said before, the market loves to go back to breakouts. Since it's going back to the breakout, we are most likely they're going to stop the people out that took the breakout. So people that took this breakout, they put their stop below. I talked about this yesterday, guys. I talked about this yesterday, okay? So that being said, most likely XRP will go below to the 42-cent level because a lot of people have their stop below that level. So we might see support around there. I don't know. But the next support level that I really see is right here. The other breakout. Okay, this next breakout right here is it's probably going to be a next support area when it comes to XRP. All right, guys, I'm about to get out of here. I don't know if I'm going to be live later on. I don't know. But I appreciate everybody for stopping by. I definitely appreciate it. You said Alicio said XRP still has downside. I guess, I mean, Alicio is a guy that, I know he has a lot of followers and a lot of people follow him. But, I'm 50-50 with that guy. I'm really 50-50 with him. But anyway, Bitcoin, damn, Bitcoin is falling right now. You're right. Sheesh. Bitcoin is, yo, guys. And like I said before, I might make a stream tomorrow. I mean, not tomorrow, later on. I don't know. If this thing drop like crazy, I might make another stream today. I don't know. But at the same time, guys, I tell you this before I leave. I tell you this, okay? Let's zoom out. Let's zoom out. I tell you this, guys. Once Bitcoin hit that 6,000 level again, it's not going to be like we saw in the past. What I believe is going to be two things. Is either it's going to slice right through that 6,000 level, or we might see a little small bounce and then go right back down. I think this is just my opinion. I believe that Bitcoin, if it hits that 6,059 level once again, the next time it hit that level, I think that's a wrap. I think it's a wrap. I think that's the last time it's going to hit that level and bounce. I think we're going to slice through that level and then we're going to continue to go down. Okay, that's when a lot of people are going to get scared. They're going to be shaken. And guys, that's just the beginning. Okay, I told you guys this is the stage one. This is stage one of the bear market. We didn't see nothing yet. All right. Let me get out of here though, guys. Let me get out of here. Let me see if I see any more questions before I get out of here. Yeah, BTC going down, man. BTC going down. You know, honestly, guys. Honestly, you know, I just, it's sad. You know, it is sad, man, because I know a lot of people are losing money. You know, I don't want to see people lose money. It's sad. It is sad. You know, but at the end of the day, you know, at the end of the day, people have to respect their money and respect their hard-earned money and learn how things work. All right. Yeah, so I'm out of here, guys. Shout out to all the guys that, you know, are willing to learn, guys. Shout out to all you guys that's willing to, you know, not be stuck at a certain level. You know, I definitely appreciate that. Let me give you guys a round of applause before I get out of here. I told you guys before, CNBC, guys, is the best indicator on the market right now. I want you to erase your RSI, erase your MACD on your chart, and put CNBC on your chart as your indicator. They are the best in the world. All right, this is the best indicator in the world. Period, hands down. Talk to you guys later, and have a great day. All right.